In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover deleted items in Monday.com. Imagine you've accidentally deleted an essential task or file from your Monday.com board, and now you're in a bit of a panic trying to figure out how to retrieve it. Don't worry, I'm here to guide you through the simple process step by step. First things first, open your preferred internet browser, and for today's purpose, let's use Chrome since it works seamlessly with Monday.com. Once you've got Chrome up and running, head over to the Monday.com website and log into your account. If you've got multiple accounts or workspaces, make sure you're in the right one before proceeding. Now that you're logged in, it's time to navigate to the board where the items were deleted. This is crucial because recovery can only happen within the specific board the items were a part of. Once you've arrived at the correct board, pause for a moment. You'll notice the interface of your board has various features. What we're interested in today is the board's activity log, sometimes known as the trash. Stay with me because this is where things can slightly vary depending on your version of Monday.com. Look towards the top right corner of your board and you'll spot a three-dot menu, often referred to as the More Options menu. Give it a click. Depending on the version or any updates to Monday.com, you might see an option named Board History or Trash. No need to stress if it's called something different. Both paths lead to the same goal, locating your deleted items. Once you're there, you'll be greeted by a list of deleted items. It might seem a bit overwhelming at first, especially if you've got a lot going on. But Monday.com does offer some handy filtering options. You can sift through the items by date, by the user who deleted them, or by type. Make use of these filters to quickly zero in on what you're looking for, saving you time and frustration. When you've found the item you wish to restore, simply hover your mouse over it. You'll see an option to restore or sometimes recover. Click on that option and presto, your deleted item begins its journey back to your board. Lastly, to ensure everything is as it should be, head back to your board. Take a few moments to confirm that the item has indeed been restored to its rightful place. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated and recovered a deleted item in Monday.com, all in a matter of minutes. Remember, accidents happen, but with a bit of guidance, they're nothing to worry about. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach out.